guys, so welcome to a new vlog. So today I'm planning on taking pictures of the hairpins that I made last week. So I'm painting my nails because I'm holding the hairpin in some of the photos that I'll be taking. So that's the first plan. I'm gonna paint my nails and then we'll see how it goes. So something else that I am gonna try to do today is to try out this drill that I got, because usually when I make my clay jewelry I would add the hole with a toothpick before the earrings go into the oven, and it used to take me a really long time. So I'm hoping that this new tool will help, because that would like save me a lot of time. So let's test it out. It was really cheap, so I'm hoping it will work. You can see the difference. There's the old one where I used a toothpick, and then here's the new one where I used a drill. This took forever, this took a few seconds. I think that's the best purchase I ever made for my business. Look at this. Saved me so much time. I will leave this link down below if anyone's interested, and yeah, it's not sponsored. I don't have enough views for that, but I love it. Best purchase. Today's the next day, and yesterday I made some stickers and I thought I would show you, so I'm gonna roll the clip when I made the stickers. So here's the stickers. I placed 2 on my notebook and they're waterproof. So yeah, I printed these on a very cheap printer. So this is just to show you that you can make good quality stickers at home. Today's Thursday and I'm going to make some clay earrings. I just got this clay cutter from Etsy. I'm gonna try it out and see if it's good. It was actually pretty cheap, but shipping was kind of expensive. But anyway, I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. found this really difficult to use. I'm gonna try to add some alcohol on it, some of this. Add some of this and see if that helps. Anyway. Okay, so that definitely helped. You can see the difference. How ugly this one is. And then you can see the one that I used the alcohol, so that definitely helped.